Hi, Leslie. I'm really shy. I I sit in the library all day and there's this one guy. Oh, he's so cute. And longer than me. He's just way too good for me. I'll never get him. But sometimes if he has late fees, sometimes I don't charge him. Maybe we'll have sex one day. There's a lot of things I can't do. I can't sew. Can't wash the dishes. I can't eat with my hands. I can't conduct an orchestra. Can't wave you goodbye. Can't make clay pottery. Can't follow simple hygiene rules. I can't be sassy. I can never be Obama. But I can be a tiny snake. You know, nobody thinks that I'm important. And I'm not as shiny or scaly or colorful like snakes. But I'm important. I mean, I guess maybe I'm not important. I don't know. But I mean, at least I'm food for birds.